Kikubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features. Ka any ride, ka app ban book taxi but bike, ban pensuk ya ka let kawan katkum ka jingdon kam jongpi, namar bangi nyokor ya ka por jongpi. Download ya ka niga app na ka Play Store.
Hatu pikwa baki jan jongpi kin kuit bha, benar kam, da ka Oswell Soup, hilaban yo na barok kidukan.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ka jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, hinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Nabanta ka jingkuli ka jingsiyo ka barik but hila ban layu ban kuli da ka education loan. Hila ruban shukola ho number kandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani kandai pran riu laisan, arn riwe kandai pra.
Ka Sorkar jilla kan tei da ka mini Secretariat hanong ba Tura bat le se ka jingdawa jong ka achik ban pen bana ya kanong ba Tura kum ka winter capital kan omla setiapan urlong ha ka jing kran mikilap thai kubor ha ka arpho trek unaitung araja pulai umentri rang ba ka jilla kondat kongkal sangma ulai thu ba unsa her sherilom garu bani kandu ikinoi lam ka achik ban pensu thu eki khnang bakin punkut no e ka jingsha thangan ba klemput sngi.
On a daily basis. I have been in touch with the Deputy Commissioner who has been speaking to them on a regular basis. About 3 days back, the Deputy Commissioner had spoken to me saying that they would like to speak to me on the phone and meet me in my next visit to Garo Hills. And then they would be calling off the hunger strike. But that did not happen, which is fine. So I have sent a message across to them that I will be meeting them in my next visit to Garo Hills. That's number one. And as I said, number one, the Deputy Commissioner has been continuously following up. And ADC is present there all the time. And doctors and other officials also are there all the time. So our presence is right there and we are monitoring the situation very closely. Regarding the winter capital which they're mentioning, the aspect and the issue of development has always been important to us as a MDA government. And we have also ensured that development is done on a very, very kind of a broad manner where all regions and areas are kept in mind while we work towards development issues. So if you look at Tura, now we are just starting the mini Secretariat out there. Now mini Secretariat is a very big step and most of the organizations understand the impact of that. And I'm sure that when I sit with the Archik group also, that we will be able to explain to them the impact of a mini Secretariat. So the mini Secretariat will come up there. There will be large, as I said, investment as well as large administrative reforms taking place out there. And hence we will see overall improvement in the delivery of our schemes and the presence of the administration in a much stronger manner in the coming days and coming years. We have also done very hard work to ensure that the Governor House in Tura is actually complete. So we are almost on the verge of completion. We expect that within a few months or maximum within this calendar year, which is before December, I'm very sure that we should be able to make that functional also. And apart from that, as I said, many other departments and all we are strengthening to ensure that overall improvement in administration takes place. So everything is a process and the process is on. The ultimate goal is always to ensure that development reaches to the people and overall administration gets closer to the people. And whatever ways and means we can find out to do that, the government is exploring and implementing. The demand actually is to get an administration that's closer, and this is a step towards it. Of course, there is a lot more to be done and there are a lot of aspects are there, but everything cannot be done in one go. But what is important to note is that very strong efforts are being made by the government to do that. So one has to understand those limitations, one has to understand the concerns and challenges we face, but at the same time see the kind of initiative and the work that is being done to show our sincerity and commitment towards every section of society and every region of the state. So that is the important part. I always tell people that ultimately whatever demands are there, they are all for overall economic development. So the end goal at the end of the day is to have overall economic development in the state and in the region. And hence, people look at different ways and mechanisms of trying to get that particular development through certain steps. So if the development can reach, then it addresses the real concern of the people, which is, as I said, economic backwardness. And hence, as I said, we are taking steps at multiple levels to address those concerns.